Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel Cylinder Rai. Today I'm going to teach you this how to display the pattern in Java star pattern. First of all, let's start the topic. Let's count row and column 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 row and 5 column are there. Let's us assume there I and j. Now let's move to the compiler. Now first give class. I am using my name. My name is Chulendra, so I am giving my name using Chulendra is my class. Now public statics void main void main string now it's simply guys, I should not have to tell, I guess. Sorry, typed wrong stable. Okay, for that first of all let's look back for the pattern. For that we should have to assume row and for row and column. Yeah, so let's start for column. Yeah, let's start column. For column let's assume for int I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 5. I will go slowly, okay guys, don't worry, I will teach you. Here I have given int I is equal to 1, initialize int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. It means I am going to teach you. I have assumed I is equal to 1. Let's us assume this. For that I is less than 5. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have given there, and for that I have given I plus plus. It means increment. It means increment. It means it will go above, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's go for the again. Let's go for row for int j. Let's assume j equal to, this is also 1 or 1, then j is less than, j is less than or equal to, this is also 5 row and 5 column. Yeah, then I am giving this as j plus plus increment. This is also it will also increase. Now let's move there. Let's move there. I'm going to teach you again there. Let's count to assume 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, 5 row and 5 column. Okay, I have assumed there j plus plus here increment. Okay, here we should have to display, but for that okay, here is star. Yeah, so we should have to display star, not others. It means 1, 2, 3. So I am giving there, for that system 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 dot out dot print. Most of you guys are using, I think, ln, but it is used to put star. Okay, not to close the Java code. That's why we should have to print only. Okay guys, don't use ln for that. And for that string here using, we should have to give pattern of what. For example, we have giving here star. We should have to give star. Yeah. Again, if you are using for closing system dot out dot print error. Guys, here we should have to print ln. Okay, this is the complete code. Let's run this. I'm once again telling you guys, there are 5 row and 5 column. That's why I'm giving, starting from I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5 rows and 5 column there. I plus plus mean increment. J is equal to similarly. This is also system dot out dot print only. It means it will display, it will compiler will tell computer or compiler to display. We should have to display this star. Okay, for this compiler is not complete code is not that. So I am giving completing code by using closing statement system dot out dot print ln. Okay, let's run the code. I guess it will run. Error is there. Okay, its compiler, online compiler is asking for, we should have to make class name main. Okay, this is online, I'm using online compiler, that's why it's giving error. Okay, I use main there. Let's run the code. It will correct, I think it will run. Could not find out load main class main java.lang. Okay, it means it is showing error there. Giving error. I have given there many class main function. Yeah, let's code again. It should be right. Yeah guys, look, this is the answer there. 4 column and 4 row. Yeah, I guess 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 row and 5 column are there. Let's, okay, in place of star I'm giving here 1 or anything you want, A B C D or X Y Z, anything you want, 1 2 3 2, any as your wish. Let's compile it. Will give 5 row and 5 column 1 1 1, same pattern there. Yeah, or I'm using here I love you. Okay, programmer life is I love you Java. Okay, I am using I love you Java. Let's compile, run it. Yeah, it is giving this like interesting. Yeah guys, learning programming is interesting. Thank you so much guys. I will share this code link in description box. My YouTube channel comment box is having problem. I can't open comment section, that's why please sorry for that. I will try my best for my next videos, but now my comment section has been blocked or something else. What happened, I don't know. I will, please guys subscribe this video, share. I'm a student of Jain University, Bangalore. I am second year student. I am also the student like you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.